We finally got new leaks of Osmo 360 version 2 from famous leaker Bogdanov on X. On the left side it's supposed to be version 2 and on the right side version 1. The only thing that looks a bit strange on version 1 is that battery doors look completely different than on the actual Osmo 360 version 1. It is not clearly visible, but it looks like we still have two buttons on the bottom, same as on version 1, just different color. Screen size seems to be almost the same, just a bit bigger. One thing that is very surprising is that lens looks pretty much the same as the version 1, which either means that they haven't made it replaceable, or they made replaceable design that will also be compatible with version 1, which would be the best case scenario. One interesting thing we can see on the photo is that we might be finally getting 8k60fps. And version 1 only had 8k50fps, which lowered the bitrate while recording, because the file size between 30fps and 50fps were pretty much exactly the same. As you can see here, the lens design looks pretty much the same as on the version 1. Here is the enhanced photo. Please let me know in the comments if you can spot any other differences between the version 2 and version 1. One difference here that you can see is that there is a way bigger rubber seal between the lens and the case, which could mean that it is actually replaceable. Here you can check enhanced version of the other photo. And now for the release date. Last firmware update for Dji Osmo 360 version 1 was in February 2026, which means they abandoned Osmo 360 version 1 7 months after it was released. And since there has been no firmware updates for version 1 for 5 months, the most likely release date is 31st of July 2026. The same date version 1 was released last year.